how to turn off Snapchat notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off Snapchat notifications on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to turn off notifications for the Snapchat app on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the settings application. Go to notifications, and from notifications you can simply try looking for the Snapchat application here and then tap on it. This toggle could be turned on, so you want to make sure to turn this toggle off to turn off any notifications from Snapchat. Now come back again and then go to the option called series suggestions and then tap on it, and from here you want to simply look for the Snapchat application again. And once you look for Snapchat, make sure the toggle here as well is also turned off and Snapchat notifications will get turned off. This way you can turn off Snapchat notifications. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.